guys, back for round 2. Let's go. Actually, I have some visitors. Hasn't been on the channel for a while. There's Oak. Yeah, and she hasn't been on the channel yet either, Michaela. It's my cousin's boyfriend. So I mean girlfriend. Oopsie. Lexi. But yeah, let's get into it. Gonna get dressed now and then we're gonna run over. Yeah. Looking good. Looking better than yesterday. Woo! Welcome back, buddy. Woo-hoo! Die sak is nog aan buiten, broer. Oh, goeie sak.
Onder nog een groot rotie.
Heb je gezien? Heb je dat gezien? Dat is maar weggeslemd.
Maar dit is ook
Man. Alright guys, got 7 crayfish each, that one and I. Okay, cool. As always, getting some lovely fish from the Hideaways in the background. Here in Pringle Bay. Literally the best calamari chips ever. But really well today. Rowan and I got 7 crayfish each and got a few a la carte for my dad. Definitely gonna cook them up soon. Yeah, as you can see, quite tired. 2 days of diving does take its toll. Lekker moeg. And well, I'm looking forward to eating that crayfish. Actually met a guy today. Came up to me and was like, "Yeah, you're the guy who films the, you know, the YouTube videos." Very heartwarming. I really enjoyed that interaction. I'm definitely gonna save that for the next few days. I'm gonna tell my girlfriend to make me treats at home because I'm famous. So cool. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one, and cheerio. Back in Wellington. What a weekend it was. It was insane. Yo, I'm so tired. I just want to say, everyone, thank you so much for the continued support on the channel and for people recognizing me in public. I really enjoy that interaction. Yeah, it warms my heart to see the love and affection that people have for my channel. It really does. Yeah, if you guys wondered, the interior of the car changed a little bit since the last time I made a video. It was actually got my first car. Check it out. Ooh, I'm so toasted. That's it. I got myself a 2016 Renault Duster. She's a beaut. Yeah, I guess for all the fishing and the diving trips, I'm gonna need something a little more versatile. But sure, she's beautiful. Looking forward to making a ton of videos this December for you guys, and yeah, enjoy the next one.